How to fix email notifications on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if focus mode is enabled or not. For that, launch your control center, press and hold on this focus option. Make sure any of these options is not enabled. If enabled, disable it. Then what you need to do is launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option notification. From the list of the app, find mail. Once you find it, open it. Now, make sure you have toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Likewise, check in for the option lock screen, notification center, banners. Likewise, toggle on for the option of badges. Click on the option of sounds and select any of these. Then click on the option customize notification. These are the settings within Mail app. Check in for the option of on-read messages in primary. Likewise, click on the option of Gmail account. Enable for these options alerts and badges. Hit back, then click on the option of iCloud, enable for the option alerts and badges. Now click on the option of remind me, toggle on for these options alerts, sounds and badges. Click on the option primary inbox. You can also toggle on for the option of alerts. Once you enable this, you're gonna get alerts for the primary inbox as well. With these settings, you'll be good to go. You're gonna get email notification on iPhone. If still you don't get the notification, what you have to do is head back, go to the main page of settings, go to the option apps. From the list of the apps, find mail. Once you find it, open it. Then click on mail account. Click on the mail in which you are having this issue. Click on delete account. Then again, shine in. With these, you'll be good to go. So this is how you can easily fix email notifications on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.